Greetings, y'all. I've been busy volunteering at the RTR and I saw a rocket. And now it's time to resupply in Yuma and hang out at American Girl Mine. It's fairly quiet here except for the trains overnight and lots of Amazon locker locations. Planet Fitness, grocery stores. It can get quite windy here. So when I saw these gusts up to 25, 26 miles an hour, I wasn't really surprised, but I'm going to have to wash my hair later. A restaurant here I'm willing to go to is Dirty South Barbecue. They always have daily specials. And in their two locations in town and outside of town, they have this really cool curated, rehomed clothing, home goods, and art stuff. I had a slop pot again with okra, collard greens, and brisket on the bottom. Yummy. I picked up this new spray bottle at Walmart to replace the older, wider, taller one, just to give myself a little more room. I know I'm giving up volume, but I really like how it's working so far. From Amazon, I'm giving these makeup remover pads a try as pea rags. So far, so good. This is my 5th pair of Tevas since 2022. Wear them all day, every day, all year long. I'm liking this new to me short sleeve top from Goodwill, but of course it's got all kinds of perfume from whatever laundry stuff that people use that I have to air out. And I'm repurposing this little floaty device as something to help me learn how to squat and floor sit. These are my two 200-watt permanently applied solar panels, and I'm experimenting with propping up one of them to get additional solar during the winter. These brackets attach to the Z brackets on my roof, and these arms I've attached with pins to keep them in place. I've collected some data with the panel propped and with it flat to see if it's going to give me the results that I want. I started gathering data with the propped panel. Around 10 o'clock, 124 watts were coming in, 11, 145, 11:30, 158, 12 o'clock, 162, 1:30, 160, 2:30, 1:30, and 3:20, it was full. Although this is a great, elegant idea, in my particular setup, propping up that front panel puts shadow on the one behind it, and also because of the way those two were originally attached to my roof, adding these extra brackets makes the panel bounce as I'm driving, which really, really isn't ideal. The difference in the number of watts coming in between tilted and flat isn't enough for me to want to keep this setup. But I'll definitely keep it in mind for my next rig. For now, I'll continue to use this Renogy 200-watt portable panel, and I'll get one of these MC4 to XT60 connectors so I can plug in directly to my large Anchor battery. And because I'd prefer to minimize how many watts I actually use, I've got my eye on this small Go solar oven. So you just never know, do you? Thanks for watching, and see you down the road.